Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. So today we are continuing down the path with texture, and I have been wanting to experiment with much more minimalist forms of texture. So that's what I'm doing today. This is a little bit of an experiment, and yeah, let's get down to the canvas. I'll talk about how I prepped it, talk about my products, and we'll go from there. Thank you so much for joining me. So for my canvas, what I was wanting is to use those really pretty linen canvases, but while I'm in this experimenting stage, I didn't want to spend the money on the linen canvases. So what I did is I created this really nice kind of linen-y color. I'm hoping that'll show up on camera well. And this is just white with a little bit of burnt umber. And it creates this really kind of nice linen-y sort of look. And the other thing is, so I did 2 coats of the paint, undiluted, just straight out of the tub. And then I did a light coat of satin varnish. So you might be able to see that because it was really important. I wanted the texture of the canvas to show through. So I didn't want to put a heavy varnish on there, but I did want to protect the paint, because if you just do the paint on canvas without treating it or protecting it in some way, it is very easy for the paint to get marred and scratched up and things like that. So a little bit of protection, but not so much that it takes away the texture of the canvas itself. Okay.
What I'm doing here is I'm just finding the center of the canvas and then very lightly sketching out the circle. And the reason I'm doing this instead of just freehanding it is I want to make sure that my circles are the same size on the different canvases. And then what you're seeing me doing on the back there is the compass does create just a tiny hole in the center, but I'm just using my fingernail on the back of the canvas and rubbing it over it lightly, and the dent just disappears. And then my mix here is Gel Gloss Medium and Modern Masters Seashell. And you can use any Gel Gloss Medium. Brand specific isn't important here. I haven't found a noticeable difference in the different brands. So just whatever Gel Gloss Medium you can get your hands on is fine. And then I'm just going to kind of blob it down and use a spoon to spread it out into a circular sort of form. And I'm going to do this a few times. And what you'll see is the first time I leave a good bit of space between the 3 different swishes. And I decided I really didn't love that, so I went back in and I just kind of reworked it a little bit, which you'll see here. So I think I'm just going to turn some music on here and let you watch. And please, as always, if you have any questions, comments, please add them in the comment section below the video, and I will do my best to get back to them and answer everything that I can.
I'm a long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on, and the angels hear me cry. They sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand of a faded smiling man, and the angels see me cry. They sing me a lullaby, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set me free. I've been strong, so long. See me moving on to a place I've known so long, and the angels see me try. They sing me a lullaby, yeah, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set us free, and I've been strong for so long. My old man had a one-track mind, had a dream he was still alive. Everything that's inside of me is a gift that he gave to me. I'm gonna leave all the pain behind, memories I can always find. Didn't break and I still believe part of him is a part of me. Angels sing me a lullaby, yeah, a lullaby. Won't you sing me a lullaby? Sing me a lullaby. Would you sing me a lullaby? Sing me a lullaby. Won't you sing me a lullaby? Sing me a lullaby. Sing me a lullaby. A lullaby. I'm gonna stay out in the cold, where it never gets old. Gonna burn out slowly with my silver and gold. Turn my life into a circus, go from town to town, invite everyone to see. I'm both a lion and clown. What if we start over? Get a second chance. Well, my kids read Voltaire, and attack was his defense. Go without fear, love without remorse. Your life in my hand, and mine in yours. Well, on my way to the promised land. I get what you feel, but not what you say. Telling me to stay.
so here we are with the finished product. I'm really loving these all in all. The gold isn't quite dry. You can still see there's a little bit of milkiness, but look how gorgeous and metallic that is. And I'm just loving this, these beautiful simple shapes. And that pearl white, oh my gosh, love that. The black one I think I'm going to redo. I'm not sure if this is going to show up on canvas, or on camera, but I think I had thinned this out a little too much with paint, and it didn't quite keep its shape in some of the places where I wanted it to. So, you know, good experiment. I like it, but it just needs a little bit of a refinement. I also just love these three pieces together. Just simple perfection. I think they're going to look gorgeous on a wall together. In the comments below, why don't you let me know what color you would frame these in, if you would frame them, or if you just hang them on the wall as they are. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more texture, and yeah, have a great day. Bye-bye.